I'm going to show you how you can fix the DeepSeek error where you don't get a code when trying to create your account. So most people is having this issue where you fill in your information, then click on send code, and you actually never get the code in your email. So to fix this, all you need to do is use Surfshark VPN and connect to a specific country I'm going to show you later. So I'm going to leave you a link in the description below to get some good offers and get this VPN for very cheap. As you can see, it's very cheap depending on the plan you want to buy. And they also have a 30-day money back guarantee. So in case you don't like it, you can always get a refund. So after you have Surfshark, you need to install the VPN extension or the application. In my case, I will be using the extension. I have it right here. Now, once we have it, all you need to do is click on the extension and connect to the Japanese server. I have tried the US and the UK servers, but they were giving me some issues, so I tried the Japanese servers and it worked well. So I will do it by connecting to Japan. I don't know if it works with other countries as well. Now, once we are connected to the Japanese servers, you need to click on login with Google. It will take a few seconds to load, and your browser might be slower than usual because you are connected to the Japanese server, which means it will take longer to basically load everything. Now select the Google account you want to use, and also after you create your account, you can disconnect the Japanese servers and just use your normal internet, so it's not that slow. Now, as you can see, I have successfully created my account in just a few seconds, and I can disconnect the Japanese servers and keep using DeepSeek. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.